What if the real signal in this stock isn't just the drilling results, but who's backing it, and how the risk is being reduced step by step? Today we're breaking down Tamboran Resources, ASX ticker TBN. This isn't just another early-stage gas explorer. What's happening here looks more like a structured build toward production. Let's start with the capital. Tamboran recently executed a farm-in agreement that brings in up to around $28.5 million in staged funding. But here's what's important. This isn't typical dilution. They're effectively monetizing part of their acreage at a premium, while still retaining control of key assets. That's a very different strategy. Now layer on top of that, who's involved? The same deal connects into a broader structure involving INPEX, Japan's largest energy company and operator of a major LNG project. When players like that move into a basin, it's usually not speculation, it's long-term positioning. Next, scale. Tamboran is also progressing the acquisition of Falcon's assets, which has already received court approval, subject to final steps. That means increasing ownership and consolidation in the Beetaloo Basin. And in energy projects, scale matters, because scale drives economics. Now let's talk about the wells. The Shenandoah South 6H well delivered around 10.3 million cubic feet per day IP20, about 11.9 million cubic feet per day normalized performance. And importantly, the well showed stable flow characteristics during testing. This is not just theory anymore. This is actual production data. And that leads to the next key point: timing. The company is targeting first gas in Q3 2026, with multiple wells planned to be tied into infrastructure and brought online. So what you're seeing is a progression: exploration, validation, early production, scale-up. And that transition phase is often where the market starts to reprice these companies. Now, to be clear, this is not risk-free. Tamboran is still early stage. No meaningful revenue yet, execution and infrastructure still critical, additional capital may be required, and commodity prices always matter. So this remains a high-risk investment. But the structure here is changing. You've got external capital coming in, strategic partners entering the basin, asset consolidation underway, and wells starting to deliver real results. That combination is what starts to shift a company from a speculative explorer to an emerging energy producer. So the real question is TBN still just another early-stage gas play? Or is it a company quietly moving through the key steps that typically lead to a major re-rating? Let me know what you think. And if you want more ASX breakdowns like this, hit subscribe rocket.